Well, again, tennis news is that Australia's Sam Stosur has pulled off a big surprise to win the Women's US Open title. She beat the three-times champion Serena Williams in the final. Stosur dominating the opening set to take it 6-2 in New York. Her first appearance on the show court as well. Familiar scenes during the second set. Serena shouting at the officials as she was heard to tell the umpire that she was an unattractive person on the inside after disagreeing with a decision or two. Clearly rattled, she lost it 6-3 in the second, and that meant a victory went to the Australian Sam Stosur, her first Grand Slam title. She reached the French Open final last year but lost that, but celebrating this time with a straight sets win to become the US Open champion.
Yeah, I think I had one of my best days, so I guess I'm very fortunate to have been able to do it on this stage in New York, where I've always loved to play, so thanks everyone.
You have been dreaming about this since you're about 10 years old?
About that, ever since I really started playing and knew what a Grand Slam was. This was a dream of mine to be here one day, and it's kind of speechless. I don't even really know what to say and how I'm feeling, but...
Does it feel the way you thought it would feel?
I think so. I think it does. But I do want to say, Serena, you are...
And Britain has a reason to celebrate.